वेदिका, महक, तान्या यहाँ है। एंड give me 1 minute. Now I've received one from Nupur. And if we're going back, तो सची, अंजन, अनमोल, वेदिका, महक, तान्या, बस इसके अलावा फिर सारे रिकॉर्डिंग्स हैं. And these are all the mails that I have in my account. I'll check spam also in case yours got deposited in spam. No message in spam. No message in trash. But I just check it again. I don't know why this is happening, but I have not received any email. I just showed it to you. एंड इसीलिए मैंने ईमेल पर मांगा है, सो दैट यू नो देयर कैन नॉट बी एनी कंफ्यूजन कि मैंने भेजा था, ये करा था, वो करा था. ईमेल पे क्यों नहीं आया उसका मेरे पास भी कोई जवाब नहीं, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मेरे साथ तो आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने ईमेल भेजा, उसमें डिलीवर्ड दिखाया और डिलीवर नहीं हुआ. मे बी द एड्रेस इज रॉन्ग, मे बी द कनेक्शन इज वीक. चेक इट फ्रॉम योर साइड. चलो एक का तो मैं फिर भी कंसिडर कर लूंगी, बाकी लोग कर क्या रहे हैं? What are you expecting to get from the class if you are not submitting your assignment? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि जब मैंने बोला था कि क्लास के पहले देना है, so why are you just sending it now that I am screaming at you? Yes, I received yours, कार्तिकेय, but बाकी लोग कहाँ? अर्चित, जतिन, साक्षी कुजूर, सिमोन, सुनिधि, और आज तुम्हारी जनसंख्या भी कम है. Okay, I'll consider that. बेटा ऐसे ना काम नहीं चलेगा. Because if you're gonna do like this, then how will I be able to explain something to you? I am very upset about this because I was expecting कि फटाफट तुम लोग ये काम करके मुझे दे दोगे. This is not how we do work here, बेटा. I'll start evaluating right now in front of all of you. Let's see. हाँ हाँ मुझे मिल गया. No, Pujita, I'm still not receiving your email. It's not even in my trash folder. It's not even in my spam. Yes, Tanya, I received your second email. तुम लोग एक बार ईमेल आईडी चेक करो मेरा, तुम लोग किस गलत आईडी पे तो नहीं भेज रहे हो. It is
मैम
TANUSHRI@sssvvgale.com. Yeah, emails do not get lost. ये तो मुझे पक्का पता है, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है आपके साइड से. And internet is working very fine. I'm receiving continuously mail. मुझे सौरभ का एक और मेल आ गया है. मैं तुमसे बार बार कह रही हूँ कि मेरे पास जिनके मेल आए मैंने उनका नाम बता दिया तुमको. ईमेल आईडी भी मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया. अब ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि कुछ लोगों के पास सही ईमेल आईडी है, कुछ लोगों के पास गलत ईमेल आईडी है। एवरीबडी हैज द सेम ईमेल आईडी, उसमें कैप्स पे मुझे सबके नाम दिखाई दे रहे हैं। हाउ कैन देयर बी अ कंफ्यूजन? Now I got one from you, Pujita. I got one from Karthik. अब देखो इससे क्या होता है कि ना क्लास की जो रिदम होती है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है। आज मैंने सोचा था तुम लोगों के ऑनलाइन तुम्हारे सामने ही चार्ट इवेल्युएट करें, ये फ्लो चार्ट से इवेल्युएट करेंगे। But now if I start evaluating, my own foul mood is going to creep into that. नेक्स्ट क्लास तक का टाइम दे रही हूँ, इटालियन यूनिफिकेशन भी करके मुझे भेज देना, और नहीं भेजोगे तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं केवल नंबर काटूंगी। अगली बार मैं ये चिल्ला के अपनी एनर्जी वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी। Because you are not children anymore, beta. This is not the way we do work. We all have responsibilities towards ourselves. Thank you, Saurabh. In case anybody is having problem. Yes, you can send it again. I will look into it. So let's just watch some resources. Yes, you may send it. I'll accept PPT also. I just need some kind of representation. और उसमें फालतू की बकवास निकली जो इधर उधर से कॉपी पेस्टेड है, आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट, कार्तिकेय. So just take a break. If you're trying to send the email right now, you can take a break. You can send it later after the class. Right now, focus on what I'm going to show you. On the Tata classes, we will have some videos.
The French Revolution in 1789 activated the concept of nationalism. Power was transferred from monarchy to a body of French citizens. People became central to shaping the future of the country. Developing a sense of nationalism was a long process. French revolutionaries introduced many practices to develop amongst the poor a sense of collective identity. Some of these practices were the ideas of la patrie, or the fatherland, and les citoyens, or the citizen, stated that all citizens were equal. They introduced the new tricolor flag. The Estate General was now called the National Assembly and had elected members. In the name of the nation, they composed new hymns, took oaths, and commemorated martyrs. A centralized administrative system formulated uniform laws for all. They abolished internal custom duties, and a uniform system of weights and measures was adopted to ease trade throughout France. French, which was spoken in Paris, became the national language of the country. Due to such activities, the idea of nationalism started to spread all over Europe 1790 onwards. Revolutionaries proclaimed that the way they had brought liberty to France, it was now up to them to free the rest of Europe from despotic rule. As these ideas spread through Europe, the educated middle class in other European countries set up Jacobean club that paved the way for the French army to enter their countries. As a result, Napoleon moved into Holland, Switzerland, Belgium, and a large part of Italy in the 1790s and carried the ideas of nationalism with him. Napoleon introduced many revolutionary principles in the territories that came under him. The most famous was the Civil Code of 1804, or the Napoleonic Code, which created equality by removing all the privileges of the aristocracy enjoyed by birth. Napoleon brought in many reforms such as simplification of administrative divisions, elimination of feudal system, freeing peasants from serfdom and manorial dues, improvement in transport and communication system. People realized that these measures facilitated transfer and exchange of goods from one place to another. Hence the French were welcomed as carriers of liberty. However, soon people in these areas, conquered by the French, realized that they had administrative reforms but did not have political freedom. Secondly, they were paying a heavy price for French wars in Europe by way of unfair taxation and forced conscription into the French armies. Which of the following
Serfs were basically slaves, and serfdom was the whole system or administration of the slavery process. सिविल कोड की हम लोगों ने बात कर दी थी. इट वाज अ कोड व्हिच वाज एनैक्टेड फॉर द पीपल एंड इट वाज बेसिकली अ गाइडलाइन ऑफ हाउ द सोसाइटी शुड वर्क. हम लोगों ने नेपोलियनिक सिविल कोड की बात की. भाई कोई आके बताएगा ना कि मीटर में ही कपड़ा बेचना है, किलोमीटर में माइल स्टोन लगेंगे. यस इट इज. ओह, सिविल कोड. ओके, ठीक है. Anybody has any other question? See, it will be better for you if we understand a lot of things in the first go. क्योंकि इस चैप्टर को रिवाइज करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. Because it gets boring. Because we are not connected to that society, it becomes a bit boring to just repeat these things again and again. इसलिए अगर अभी कुछ नेपोलियन जर्मनी गया था तभी तो उसने 39 छोटे छोटे स्टेट्स बनाए हैं. फ्यूडल सिस्टम मीन्स दैट अ पर्सन, जैसे हमारा जो जमींदारी सिस्टम हुआ करता था ना, उससे मिलता जुलता है कि एक पूरी जमीन ये इस बंदे की एस्टेट है. अब उसके अंदर वो लोगों को वहां पे काम पे रखेगा एज अ लेबरर, एज अ गार्डनर, एज अ सर्वेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. और फिर वो उसका एक पर्टिकुलर रेवेन्यू जो है वो अपने पास कलेक्ट करके फिर जब उसको जो भी किंग और ओवरलॉर्ड या जो भी होता है, whenever they ask for fighting, then their duty is to send their fighting forces. लैंड ओनरशिप का एक सिस्टम है फ्यूडल सिस्टम. एनीथिंग एल्स, एनीबॉडी? Okay, then we will move ahead, watch another video.
The early 18th and 19th centuries in Europe saw the fall of autocratic multi-regional monarchies and the rise of the modern nation-state. It was a tumultuous transformation guided by three main ideologies: liberalism, conservatism, and nationalism. Let's take a quick look at what each of these ideologies represented at that time in Europe. The word liberalism is derived from the Latin word liber, which means free. Liberals usually belonged to the educated middle class. They campaigned for freedom and equality for all people. They believed that all people should have freedom of speech, thought, expression, religion, assembly, and association, among other things. Politically, liberals sought two things. One, government by consent or elected government. Two, the right to vote for all men, irrespective of class. Women's suffrage was a separate movement entirely. In economic terms, liberals sought the right to own property for all people. Remember, until now, property was controlled by the upper class of society. Liberalism stood for abolition of privileges by birth. The liberals also fought for free markets. They sought removal of state restrictions on the production and movement of goods within a unified territory. Thus, many liberals became liberal nationalists. That is, they began to seek the formation of a unified territory or nation in which liberal ideals could be implemented. Conservatives in general were people who did not want change. These people wanted to retain traditional beliefs and institutions such as monarchy, nobility, and church. Not surprisingly, most conservatives belonged to these institutions themselves. Conservatives sought to crush all opposition to autocratic monarchy. They enforced censorship on everything from newspapers to art. Books, songs, plays, and other forms of expressions were banned from reflecting ideas like liberty and equality. Conservatists wanted people to forget all that the French Revolution had inspired them to do. The idea of nationalism was an offshoot of the idea of liberty. In France, as well as in most regimes across Europe, the dream of a nation began as a revolt against autocratic monarchy. Revolutionaries rallied people around the concept of a united community with a shared cultural identity and equal rights under law. Nationalism evolved as the desire of people who spoke the same language, shared the same culture, and had the same ancestry to belong to one unified territory or nation. Romantic artists and poets of the time shaped and celebrated nationalism through the use of nationalist art, music, poetry, and dance. Language was another defining element of nationalism. In France, for example, regional dialects were discouraged in favor of a standard form of French as spoken in Paris. By the late 19th century, however, nationalism was no longer about identity and democracy. European nationalism now began to manifest as a quest for dominion over other regions. The quest for dominion in the Balkan region was particularly intense and eventually led to the First World War. Thus we see that nationalism meant different things to different people at different times. Yet, by the end of the 19th century, the idea that society must be divided into nations was universally accepted.
कार्तिक, द थिंग इज कि ना सब कुछ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट नहीं होता है कि ना केवल कंजर्वेटिव्स कि ना ये लोग बिल्कुल उसके अगेंस्ट थे तो ये लोग वही वाली बात हो गई, कहते हैं ना हिंदी में कहावत है चोर चोर मौसेरे भाई, ऐसा नहीं था। नेशनलिस्ट को ये चाहिए था कि मेरा नेशन जो है वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहे, इसके अंदर जो कल्चर है, जो लैंग्वेज है, ये सब चीजें प्रिजर्व रहे। लेकिन नेशनलिज्म का एक ड्रॉबैक ये भी है दैट इट does not let you mix up with the people from other nation and does not let you learn from the good things of the other nation. लिबरल्स ऑन द अदर और नेशनलिस्ट किसके ऊपर जोर देते हैं? कल्चर के ऊपर, कि पहले ऐसा था, इस तरीके से होना चाहिए, कल्चर पे भी जोर देते हैं। लिबरल्स इसलिए बेस्ट थे क्योंकि लग रहा था कि लिबरल्स बहुत बेस्ट है। तुम्हें पता है लिबरलिज्म की वजह से सोशलिज्म डेवलप हो गया कि तुम कितना भी कमाओगे, तुम कितनी भी मेहनत करोगे, लेकिन ऑल योर फ्रूट्स विल बी शेयर अमंग द पीपल हु आर नॉट रेडी टू डू एनीथिंग। Yes, French was not a national language. आप हमारे इंडिया में देख लो, हर 10 किलोमीटर पे, हर 15 किलोमीटर पे डायलेक्ट चेंज होता है, बट वी हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट बिकॉज वी हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी। अब एक छोटी सी जगह में सब लोग अलग अलग लैंग्वेज बोलेंगे तो उन लोगों में वो फीलिंग थोड़ी आएगी, दे विल नॉट गेट द फीलिंग दैट वी बिलोंग टू द सेम नेशन। जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इंडिया, there must be some of you who must have some regional language in which they converse at home. Marathi होंगे अपनी क्लास में, अनमोल है, and I think there are a lot of people who must be belonging to a region who have different language. बट उससे क्या होता है कि अगर मान लो आपकी लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट है, आप कभी भी देखना anybody who can speak any language other than Hindi, they converse in, and if they find somebody who is speaking their language, Raghawadi, it's not a language, it's a dialect. Dialect और language में फर्क होता है। लैंग्वेज के अंदर वर्ड्स अलग होते हैं, ग्रामर अलग होती है। डायलेक्ट मतलब बस वही हिंदी को तोड़ मड़ोड़ के उल्टे सीधे शब्दों में बोल देना। बोली और भाषा का फर्क है। हिंदी में पूछ लेना मैम से, ही विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन इट बेटर। I think it is in some classes course also. I don't know which class that is. Maybe this year only. अब देखो उसमें ऐसा होगा that if people are speaking the yes exactly है versus आएगा। If people are speaking different language, they do not feel as if they are from the same region. But अगर आप बाकी सारे languages को discourage करेंगे, and if you are going to put a particular language, basically just impose a language on people. देखो इंडिया में अगर तुम देखो तो the connecting language is English. Although there are 22 languages recognized by the schedule, but if we go to some, how is the most versatile word? How can be used for the reply of everything in this world? And I'm very glad that you people also know that, because from where I grew up, how was basically the response to everything. Everything. If you're upset, how? If you're happy, how? Such versatile words make up for good conversations. सो जस्ट सिट ऑन इट, जस्ट थिंक ऑन दीज थिंग्स कि लैंग्वेज और कल्चर आपको कैसे कनेक्ट करता है विथ पीपल। अभी तुम इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो, आज से 10 साल बाद कहीं और जाओगे, भले ही कोई तुम्हें पुराना स्टूडेंट मिल जाए हु इज नॉट स्टडिंग, हु यू डिड नॉट नो व्हेन यू वर इन स्कूल, लेकिन इफ दे कम टू यू एंड टेल यू कि अरे मैं भी यही पढ़ता था, यू गेट एन इंस्टेंट कनेक्शन कि ओ, यू फील लाइक यू नो आई नो यू फ्रॉम समवेयर। एक इंस्टेंट कनेक्शन फील होता है विद पीपल व्हेन यू गो समवेयर एंड देयर आर नॉट एंड एवरीबody is not the same. So this connection is the smaller feeling that people get when it comes to the nationalist feeling. Think over these things, read ahead, chapter पढ़ो, कुछ problems है तो पूछो, and I am very hopeful that very soon we will be done with this chapter also, then we will not have much to do. हमारा हिस्ट्री का तो बोर्ड का सिलेबस ही खत्म हो जाएगा, तो बेटा अभी पढ़ लो, टाइम है, प्रॉब्लम्स है पूछ लो, क्लैरिफाई कर लो, क्वेश्चन आंसर कर लोगे तो तुम्हें ही आसानी होगी। क्योंकि अगर एक चीज को तुम 10 बार देख लोगे, देन देयर आर लेस चांसेस दैट यू विल हैव प्रॉब्लम इन रिमेम्बरिंग दैट। नेटवर्क इशू तुम्हारी किस्मत आज नहीं हो रहा, किसी दिन हो जाएगा, जिस दिन होगा उस दिन तुम्हारी किस्मत रहेगी। So that will be all for today's class. Thank you and Sairam.